Cathie Wood's bold prediction: these 3 stocks will make you a millionaire in 2024. Imagine turning your portfolio into a gold mine by 2024. Today, we reveal how that might just be possible. Welcome back to Ace Wealth Strategies. We're your trusted guide in the world of finance, wealth, and money. Your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of building wealth. Today, we're going to unravel Cathie Wood's intriguing prediction. She's pinpointed 3 stocks that she believes could significantly boost your wealth by 2024. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these stocks. If you're as curious as we are about these potential millionaire makers, this is a discussion you won't want to miss. Who is Cathie Wood? Before we jump into the stocks, let's get to know Cathie Wood. She's not just any investor. Wood is a visionary in the world of finance, celebrated for her foresight and bold investment strategies. Cathie Wood isn't just playing the game, she's changing it. Her approach to investing is rooted in deep research and a fearless embrace of the future. From betting big on Tesla to championing the potential of genomic breakthroughs. Wood's decisions might seem unconventional, but they're grounded in a vision that sees beyond the market's current horizon. Her firm, ARK Invest, has been a trailblazer, especially in tech and innovation investments. Wood's knack for identifying future market leaders has earned her a formidable reputation. At ARK Invest, it's not just about investing, it's about innovating. Wood leads a team that dives into the potential of disruptive technologies. They're not just looking for companies that are succeeding today, they're searching for those that will redefine tomorrow's economy. Understanding Wood's background sets the stage for why her predictions are worth considering. Now let's dive into the first of these promising stocks. Stock number 1, the tech innovator. The first stock on Cathie's list is a titan in the tech industry. This company isn't just following trends, it's setting them. This isn't your average tech company. It's a leader that's redefining how we interact with technology. From developing cutting-edge software to pioneering in hardware, this company is at the forefront of the tech revolution. It's not just about what technology can do today, it's about what it can do tomorrow. With a history of pioneering technology and a robust R&D pipeline, this company stands out in its field. Its recent ventures into AI and cloud computing are reshaping the tech landscape. Their investment in AI and cloud computing isn't just significant, it's transformative. They're not just riding the wave of technological advancement, they're the ones creating it. This company's commitment to innovation positions it as a potential leader in the tech industry for years to come. Given its innovative edge, this stock is a compelling choice for investors. But innovation isn't the only path to success. Let's explore a company making waves in healthcare. Stock number 2, the healthcare revolution. The second stock takes us into the healthcare sector. This company is at the forefront of merging healthcare with technology. Imagine a future where technology and healthcare converge to create unprecedented solutions. This company is making that future a reality today. By integrating AI into healthcare, they're not just improving treatments, they're revolutionizing the entire healthcare experience. By leveraging AI and machine learning, it's transforming patient care and medical research. Its financials are strong, showing steady growth and a promising future. Their financial health is as robust as their technological innovations. With a solid track record of growth and a clear vision for the future, this company stands out as a beacon of progress in the healthcare industry. This fusion of tech and healthcare could be a recipe for remarkable growth. Now let's turn our attention to a sector that's not just profitable, but also planet-friendly. Stock number 3, the green energy pioneer. Our final stock is a champion in the green energy sector. As the world pivots to sustainable solutions, this company is leading the charge. This company isn't just part of the green energy movement, it's at its vanguard. With a focus on renewable energy sources and sustainable practices, they're not just changing the industry, they're aiming to change the world. With innovative solutions in renewable energy and a commitment to sustainability, it's carving out a significant niche in the market. Its growth trajectory aligns with global environmental goals. Their growth isn't just measured in financial terms, it's also measured in their impact on the planet. As they expand their reach and influence, they're setting new standards for what it means to be a green energy company. Investing in green energy is not just good for the planet, it's smart economics. As we conclude, let's summarize these exciting opportunities. Today, we've explored 3 dynamic stocks hand-picked by Cathie Wood. Each offers a unique avenue for potential growth and financial success in 2024. These aren't just stocks, they're gateways to future wealth. Cathie Wood's predictions are more than just numbers on a page. They're insights into where the world of finance is heading. By considering these options, you're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in the future. Remember, informed investing is key. In the world of finance, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Making informed decisions means understanding not only the potential of a stock, but also the risks involved. It's about looking beyond the hype and examining the fundamentals. As an investor, your greatest asset is your ability to discern, to analyze trends, and to anticipate the market's next big move. It's not just about following advice, even from experts like Cathie Wood, but about doing your due diligence, staying updated with market changes, and aligning your investments with your financial goals. For more insights into the world of finance, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If our episode resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and share the wealth of knowledge. Let's journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and let's ace the financial game.